Hey YouTube, Sam's gonna burp for a minute straight, at least, maybe more. Just lean your head up when you're gonna do it. A minute, let's go.
That one was
Keep going, keep going. Let's make it 2 minutes. Keep going.
Oh.
Oh. Did I mention that some house shakers need to be in there?
No, this is nothing. She bought an entire town just to store her hats. Oh, I've been to Hattiesburg. I was there for the Fedora Festival.
Oh.
I met a girl there, and she told me I was fedorable.
This is the worst. I take back that idea.
Marcus, this is
Dude, that doesn't even come close. We're gonna go to 2 minutes because you didn't do any house shakers. Do you wanna go outside and just do it? How about we do sit-up burps?
That was weak.
You swish your hair. So ladylike, Sam.
There! And